In this video, we're going to use all the divisibility rules that we've learned. Without using a calculator, we're going to take one number and test it for all the divisibilities that we know. So the easiest way is to first begin by circling the rules that use the last digit. If you remember, 2 uses the last digit. If it's even, it will be divisible by 2. To be divisible by 5, the last number has to be 0 or 5. And to be divisible by 10, the last digit has to be 0. So let's check this number, 746,988. Okay, let's check that last digit. Is it even? It is, so it's divisible by 2. Is it 0 or 5? It's not, so it's not divisible by 5. It's also not divisible by 10 because it doesn't end in 0. Now, remember 4 uses the last 2 digits. Does 4 go into 88 evenly? Yes, 4 goes into 8 2 times, into the other 8 2 times. So it's divisible by 4. Then we had 8. Is it divisible by 8? We have to check off the last 3 digits to see if something is divisible by 8. So we need to divide 8 into that number and see if you have a remainder. I'm going to use short division. So 8 goes into 9 one time with 1 left over. 8 goes into 18 2 times. That gives us 16, so we'll have 2 left over. Now, does 8 go into 28 evenly? It doesn't. So I will have a remainder. Therefore, 8 doesn't go into that big number either. Now we're going to star the rules that use the sum of the digits. So 3 uses the sum of the digits, 9 uses the sum of the digits, and so does 11. So let's add up all the digits. 7 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8. So we add them all up, we get 42. Now, is 42 divisible by 3? It is. Is 42 divisible by 9? No, because 9 times 5 gives me 45. So it is not divisible by 9. Now, what about 11? Remember, 11 was sort of the weird one. So, first we're going to do every other number. So we've got the 4, the 9, and the 8. We add them together, we get 21. Then we're going to do the purple. The 7, the 4, and the 8. Add that together and we get 21. So 21 minus 21 is 0. And 0, remember that was the tricky one? 0 is divisible by 11. So yes, that number is divisible by 11. We only have one more number to test, and that is 6. Remember 6, we actually have 2 rules. We're going to see if the last number is even, which it is. And then we're going to see if when we add them all up, we get something divisible by 3. And it is. So because we have 2 checks, this one and this one, we could go ahead and check 6 as well. So I want you to turn into class tomorrow, the next time I see you. I want you to do the same thing for 81,342.